Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Offbeat Nomad. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Today we are going to visit one of the beautiful monolithic temple which is created on a single rock cut, and we will see some Jain inscription also. So let's start. We are starting our ride to Kalgamalai, which is in Thoothukudi district of Tamil Nadu. I have started my ride from Mulekkarpatti in Tirunelveli district, which is around 84 km from this place, and it took me around 2 hours to reach here. Roads towards Kalgamalai are in a good condition. You can easily ride your vehicle over there, and there is a parking facility also available in Kalgamalai, so you can easily park your vehicle over there. I have reached Kalgamalai. I will park my bike over here and will trek to the mountain. Here we have 2 points to visit, Vetwan Koil and Jain Beds. So let's check it out. The staircase are carved from a mountain and made it as a staircase. This looks more beautiful. Some places don't have a staircase, so be cautious while walking in the hill. There are slippery places, or there are some places where you can sleep, so be cautious. If you sleep from here, you will directly go down. So we have reached our first point. It's a Jain Beds and we are entering now. I can able to see a lot of images has been carved in a hill in such a beautiful manner, and all of them are Tirthankaras, I guess so. And Tirthankaras are basically god in Jainism. These all are created at 8th century during Pandyan Empire. Really very happy to see such a beautiful art exists in our place. One more interesting thing about this place is there's the oldest form of Tamil alphabet has been inscribed in this hill. This oldest form is called as Vattelth. Happy to see the Vattelth here. If you go a little upstairs, we can able to find one more images related to Jainism. This images which is carved here is related to a Jain god Mahavir, and you can able to see in this entire area there is only one images which is carved here. So let's move to next point. We are going to Vetwan Koil now. It's also known as Ellora of South. So let's check it out. This hill is carved from a three side and made this temple. This temple is made from a single rock cut. This temple is not 100% completed, as the sculptor who is carving this temple has died in between. The construction format of this temple is same as Kailasha temple of Ellora, but the only difference exists is Kailasha temple is too big and this temple is little small. If you check here, the height of the temple is 25 feet, but Kailasha temple height is 100 feet. Both the temples are created on the 8th century. Here people believing this temple may be a model to build Kailash temple in Ellora. The architecture of this temple is so beautiful. I'm not sure how they constructed this, like they have carved a three side of mountain and created in a single rock, and they don't have any option to make any mistakes. So let's go down below and check it out from nearby. There are a lot of images in this temple, and many images still not 100% completed, as you can able to see here. Some story roaming in internet about why Vetwan Koil is not completed. It's like the person who is a sculptor of this Vetwan Koil has unknowingly killed his son due to rivalry, and after knowing he is his son, he also died. So because of that, Vetwan Koil is not completed. Like that, some stories going on in internet. But when I asked about the same thing to the gatekeeper of Vetwan Koil, he told it's just a rumor, it's not a correct story. He also don't know exactly why this temple is not completed, but he said there are a lot of story about why Vetwan Koil is not completed is roaming around, so you should not believe. The architecture of this temple is really amazing, but I have just one feeling like the images which has carved in this temple, if we know more detailing about the each images, it would be better for us to understand. It would be really great if we can have a guide who can explain us the detailing about this temple and its architecture. There is one idol inside of this temple, so let's see. So that's it for today. We'll meet you on another beautiful video. Until then, bye bye, take care.